Oh, I'm going to roll up my sleeves for this one. Hello, Emily Richards.
Hello, Tim. How are you?
I'm doing great. Are you a fan of baseball?
I am.
Me too. I like the baseball thing. I like your jersey. Want to do a little spin for us?
I do.
This is actually, if you don't know baseball, there is a Richards on the Jays. Trevor Richards out of the bullpen.
Which, thankfully, you told me that he didn't get let go. So
no, he's still with the team. He's like a silver fox. Yeah, Trevor Richards. His season's like kind of the rest of the Jays. But you know how you get over the season thus far for the Blue Jays? You just eat.
You do. Whether they're away or home, you can be at home in the comfort of your home. Because I'm going to have to tell you, those 4th, 5th innings, sometimes I have a nap. So it's good to have a little snack. And we're doing kind of, ballpark food. If you've ever been to any of the stadiums, they have great food, hands down. But you can replicate a lot of fun. And we're doing chili cheese dogs.
Might be a little cheaper doing it this way.
Yes, 100%. Definitely.
Yeah.
So we're going to add a little chili cheese dogs. I'm going to get a little smoke pack going.
Okay.
And this is great if you don't have a smoker, just to add a nice little essence of smoke to the chili. I've smoked some wood chips, just a little bit of foil, and then poke some holes in it. And you're going to put this under your grill grate right on the heat element before you get started.
Any type of barbecue would work. Any
type of barbecue will work because it's going to heat up. The wood chips are going to start to smoke a little bit, and then you're going to smell, this is hickory, and you're going to smell that wonderful aroma.
What time do you do that at? Like how far before?
About half an hour.
Okay.
Make sure you soak these for about half an hour, and then get them on about half an hour because you do want to get that little bit of smoke going before you get the chili on there.
Okay, what are we?
Hence the chili. So this may not look like a normal chili. We have some ground pork. This is actually steak that I chopped up in little bits. Yeah.
Just a cheap steak?
Just a cheap steak, and chop it up in small bits. There's onions, garlic, and then you're going to add lots of chili seasoning here. So chili powder.
Everything?
Everything is going in, hot pepper flakes, cumin, oregano, salt and pepper. And then this is going to help get the flavor right into the meat. You're going to massage the meat for me.
Massage the meat, that's why I got the gloves on.
That's why you have the gloves on. And that's going to make, for a great chili, lots of flavor. And you can actually do this part ahead. It actually benefits if you do it ahead.
Just put it in the fridge overnight?
Just put it in the fridge overnight, and it's really going to get lots of great flavor. Now, most barbecues have that side burner.
Yep.
You're going to take everything right outside. And if you don't have a side burner, you can do it inside. So make sure that whatever pot you're using, so stainless steel, these cast iron pots are great, is going to go right on the barbecue.
It's going right on.
So you can see this is my smoking pot. It's got some wear and tear on it. So a little bit of oil in here, and then I'm going to start our veggies in here. So a little bit of pepper, all of our chili mixes. Okay, so these are, and everything's small because they're going onto our dogs. So we want to make sure that all the small things are chopped up nice in bits, and then some tomato paste.
How long do you like to cook your chili for?
Well, this one actually only needs about an hour,
Really?
but the longer it cooks, the better it tastes.
Okay, we got 90 seconds left.
Okay, so let's make a chili dog.
Okay, so we got the dogs.
We got the dogs. I'm going to bring the chili over here so we can see it.
It is bubbling.
It's bubbling hot.
Okay,
there we go, and I'm going to get a nice big spoon. There you go.
Okay, throw the chili right on there.
Throw the chili right on there, and then...
So you got the dogs already done. Everything's ready to go.
Yeah, and you can use your favorite dog. Make sure they're big enough for the bun. That's the part that I always want.
Some nice you need a good bun
chili like that.
Cheese right on there.
Cheese, chili, and then your little condiments.
Jalapenos?
Yeah, definitely. If you want a little bit spicy, some chopped onions if you want.
Can you do the pretzels? What are the pretzels here too?
Oh, these are just some homemade pretzels. You're going to get pretzels at the ballpark, have them at home. These have some smoked sausage and cheese in them. And you can make your own cheese sauce too, because why not? So you want to grab one and dip it? You totally can. It's going to be a little bit hot.
Is it?
Yeah. So do a very slow dip.
in this cheese?
Yeah, and you can warm them up right on the grill so that they get that nice warmth that you would get as you would when you're going to watch the baseball game.
Yummy. Where we can find these recipes?
Emily Richards Cooks.
Amazing.
Keep eating.
Let's go Blue Jays.
Gosh, they're playing a lot this week. Let's hope they win.
Let's go Blue Jays. Let's go Blue Jays.